problem is y is equal to cx plus c squared plus 1. Papansin natin na kahit dalawa ang c, counted lang siya as isang arbitrary constant kasi same lang ang c sa c. So, ibig sabihin na isang beses lang tayo mag-differentiate. Differentiate natin d over dx. Magiging dy over dx is equal to d over dx cx magiging c plus d over dx times a constant. 0 lang yan. Para dito sa 1. 0 din. Kaya dy over dx is equal to c. Alam natin na ang dy over dx also known as dy over dx equals din yan sa y prime. Kaya palitan natin to. Magiging y prime is equal to c. Kaya ganyan, gagawin natin lahat ng c dito sa original problem natin. Palitan natin ng y prime. So magiging, ito yung original problem natin, c squared plus 1. Palitan natin lahat ng c ng y prime. Magiging y is equal to y prime x plus y prime squared plus 1. Therefore, yan na yung final answer. Kasi na-eliminate na natin yung arbitrary constant.